What's up everybody, Andrew Muse here, Ford Bronco Ambassador. I've spent the last 3 years living out of a Ford F550 home-built expedition vehicle, and the last 3 months out of a new Ford Bronco. And finally I'm renting a place. I'm super excited to have some space to organize all of my gear. So that's what I'm building today. I'm gonna build some shelving in the back here to just support all of my gear. The most important part of any good build is a good plan. I'm building 8 foot tall, 8 foot wide, 2 foot deep shelves. We ripped the 2 4x8 sheets of plywood down the middle at a friend's shop and then cut 8 2-foot segments out of 2 2x4s. This maximized materials, resulting in no scraps and minimized time spent cutting boards. Here's me assembling everything. This is so awesome. I'm so excited to have a space to keep all of my camping gear, climbing gear, stuff that when I'm living out of the Bronco on the road, it's all organized and ready to go. What are you building?